Hamitakiapi, Shantewashte Nape Chiuzapi. Hello, relatives. We greet you all with good hearts and open hands. We are the Dances with Words Tioshpe from Lakota territory, and we represent the Osheti Shakomi Nation. Before we begin this evening, we'd like to acknowledge that no matter where we are within the U.S., we're always occupying stolen lands. Our northern and southern indigenous relatives have always migrated and cared for this place before the violent conception of the U.S. and its borders, before the Treaty of Guadalupe, before the nation of Mexico. I am not offering this acknowledgement because it's become an institutional trend. I am offering it because I am Lakota, and my ancestors and elders have always taught me to greet land and people with the offering of medicine, to name my intention, and to honor the spiritual and political ways in which the peoples whose homelands we are occupying have always done. I invite you all to deeply consider this practice wherever your feet meet earth. Lila wopila tanka tu unchi maka, to Mni, to our more than human relatives, and to all of the people whose labor sustains this place. Lila pilamiape, mitakuye oyase.
Make some noise. Make some noise.